We have this message: thank you for using Delta Executor. So let me click here. As you can see, we have these all features. So hello YouTube and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox mobile, absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AdLoop and type in search Delta Executor, and you will find the online tool, and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here and go to your official Roblox profile. Just copy your link. Okay, let's get back to our tool. Then you have paste button, just press this, press continue, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select on button and select script. So I will select these scripts, press continue, guys, and let's see the next step. So AP connecting. So let's see, does it actually works? Let's see. Okay, AP connected. Scroll down and just click I'm not robot to verify yourself. And now, guys, we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important steps. What we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questions. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have a description of what you have to do. So guys, this is really easy. Just download, complete the task, and you will get this hack. So I will back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. Guys, if you have this message, you're on the right way. So let's wait together and let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the boat check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this, so let me open the game. Let's test this. Does it actually working? So what will play? Okay, let's play grow gardens. So let's see. So guys, as you can see, we have this panel and we have this message: thank you for using Delta Executor. So let me click here. As you can see, we have these all features. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.